Do you want to watch TikTok video in picture-in-picture mode? You can play TikTok in the background with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To watch a TikTok video in the background, first, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Once you're in TikTok, select the For You tab at the top of the screen. Now, scroll down and find the video you want to watch in picture-in-picture mode. Once the video is found, long press on the screen until a pop-up menu appears. From the menu that appears, look for and tap on picture-in-picture or background play. If you are using this feature for the first time, you need to enable it from your mobile. For that, tap on the Turn On button. A new screen will appear with a list of apps installed on your mobile device. Scroll down until you find TikTok and tap on it. Now, enable the toggle switch next to allow display over other apps. Once enabled, press the back button. Now, the video will shrink into a small floating window on your screen. The video will continue playing in a corner of your screen. You can move the floating window anywhere you like by dragging it across the screen. Finally, continue using other apps on your phone while the TikTok video keeps playing in the background.